Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a custom theme to your Shopify website. So we're going to head down to online shop and you should already be under themes. From there, under theme library, you want to select add theme and then you want to upload a zip file. Your theme file will be zipped already, so all you have to do is go to downloads or wherever you have it and upload it there. So I'm just going to upload it. And then it's going to take a while to kind of get all the elements and everything over. And there we have it. So if you want to customize this, just go ahead and hit customize. And then you'll see it'll open up to where you can actually add your photos, change the collection, change the text, all that good stuff. And there you have it, your newly uploaded theme. That is all for today's video. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.